Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to change the focal length in your DJI Osmo Action 6. At first, swipe from the bottom to the top to see this menu over here. This is the menu of the aspect ratios, etc. And to change the focal length, tap here wide. Here, as you can see, we have equivalent focal length 8 mm wide, natural wide. Here we have 8 mm and standard warp 14. That's how it works. We can easily just switch between these all, and for example standard, go back, and we'll have here instead of the wide STD. Same with the natural wide, we do have here and wide. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.